Okay, so for this paper, you are going to learn about the specific parts of the cell. But first, if you notice right below, there are a couple words I want you to know. So a prokaryotic cell is a cell that has no nucleus. I remember this because pro rhymes with no, and that means they have no nucleus. One example of a prokaryotic cell is a bacterial cell. These cells are small and simple, and they do not need a nucleus because they are so small. All of their information that controls them is actually located right in their cell by itself. So they do not have a nucleus. A eukaryotic cell is a cell that has a nucleus. These cells are a little more complex, and there's 4 examples. Animals, just like you and I, have nuclei in our cells. Plants have them. Protists, like the paramecium, the amoeba, and the euglena we saw, have them. And fungi, like mushrooms and mold, have nuclei in their cells. And finally, the last word there is an organelle. An organelle is a tiny cell part. These parts control the cell, and they do things inside the cell just like your organs do in your body. In fact, the word organelle means tiny organs, which is funny because these things located in cells control the cell just like our organs control our bodies. So here's the directions for this next worksheet. What you're going to do, if you notice on the back, there are 2 QR codes. One says H-Hizzle Cell Wrap. The other one says Cell Parts Review. What you're going to do is I'd like you to scan the Cell Parts Review first. What's going to happen is on that QR code, it will go down each of the cell parts and it will talk about what they do for the cell. I want you to write those in the column that says what the organelle do. Then in the plant and animals column, I'd like you to check for me whether this organelle is in plant cells, animal cells, or both. Then finally, at the end, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to go back and watch the H-Hizzle Cell Wrap and let me know what you think. Good luck.